Hey there, it's Michelle with Shop Marketing Pros. Today I want to share a crucial tip about managing your Google business profile. While it's tempting to use AI tools to manage your listings, giving them access can be risky. It's important to understand that improperly managed AI interactions could lead to your listing being suspended by Google. Have you ever had your GBP listing suspended before? It causes unwanted stress as you have to focus time and energy on trying to get it reinstated and loss of business as your shop won't show up locally until the suspension is lifted. AI tools might automate responses or update information in ways that violate Google's guidelines, and this could inadvertently trigger red flags leading to your listing being suspended. Always ensure that any tool you use complies with Google's policies and consider maintaining direct control over your core business information. Remember, protecting your online presence is as important as establishing it. For more tips and guidance, stay tuned and subscribe. Thanks for watching.